keeper.
Here we go, Bryce.
It's no good. Folks, thank you for coming out. Let's give both teams a big round of applause.
How important was it to get a win tonight heading into next week when you take on Amherst?
Well, it's always big to get your momentum or keep your momentum going. Guys played well last week and it came out and played better this week. I thought we were fired up for the whole game. Played really good the whole 4 quarters tonight. So yeah, momentum going into next week. Obviously, we're going to enjoy this one. And then Monday we got to get right back to work again and practice. But it'll be a lot of film watching this weekend again.